Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse Our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix Roblox Error Code 273. So now let's jump right into the video without wasting any second. So what you have to do first is to head over to the Roblox file. Okay, it's like temporary file, so we can delete this file. And now what you have to do is to press on your keyboards Windows logo, Win, and plus R, alright? And then here in this box please write percentage local app data percentage. Click OK. And now here what you have to do is to look for Roblox. Alright, look here, Roblox. Now delete this file. Don't worry, this will not delete important files. It's just a temporary file, so this will not affect the settings in the game. Alright, now guys, now what you have to do, also please follow along with me and watch this here till the very end. Now go to settings and then privacy and security, and here scroll a little bit down, and here you should see cookies and other site data. Now what you have to do is to click on see all site data and permissions, and here in the search bar here write Roblox and delete this site data. Okay, clear. And also don't forget to make sure to subscribe and hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate that and will help a lot this small YouTube channel. Okay, now the next step is to go to Roblox player, right click and select properties. Now here go to compatibility and make sure you check run this program as administrator. Apply and OK. Okay, so now what we have to do is to flush our DNS CMD, and here we need to run as a command as an administrator, and we need to run these commands. The first one, I'll leave the command in the description of this video. Run the first command. The second command, just copy and paste. Now reset WinStock catalog, and now let's reset it. Now that this is the third command, and now we can restore our computer. And alright guys, now let's move to the next method, and here write control panel. Now what you have to do is to go to network and internet and view network status and tasks, and here click on your connection, click on properties, and here click on internet protocol version 4, click on properties, and here make sure you select use the following DNS server address. Make sure you check this, and here you enter 888 for the 88 twice and 4 and 4. Okay, and close, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. I hope this video fixed the problem, and if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one, and like this video, okay? And let me know in the comment section if this video helped you. I'd like to read your feedback, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.